Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Here we'll see how to update a certain field in Firebase collection. Well, for a document will have many fields. Like in this case, we are going to update this SFCM token. For now it's empty. So let's see how to update this token or update this certain data. I have this function which is called get FCM token, and first we get this token. Now it could be any data for you, it doesn't really matter. We just do a conditional check, and based on the token we see if we have user exist or not. If user exist, then in that case we'll return a document. Documents will not be empty. Remember, here we are searching for data based on token. In our case we are searching for user based on this user token. So if user exists, then we go ahead and check that, and then we get the user's first document, because a user might have many documents. In this case we just get the first document and its ID. Now this is where we update the data. So for this document, as you can see, first we go to the collection, and each collection will have a document, and then each document, whatever the field we want to update, we call the update method. So it's very important over here, as you can see, .doc, and then you need to pass the document ID. And for that ID, if you have a field which is called FCM token, in your case it could be anything, any value, just go ahead and call update method and find the related field, the one that you want to update, and give it a new value, and that's it. Now we're going to check that this gets updated. Well, this function gets called from an init method. If you want to see where it is, actually it gets called from onReady get FMC token. Now over here I just restarted the app, and hopefully this time this method should get called. And if it's get called, we'll see that over here we already have a new document ID, this one. Okay, earlier it was empty, and this was the previous one for the other user. So yeah, so that's how you update your field in Firebase based on your document ID. So the idea is get the document ID and call the update method and give value to a certain field with a new value. That's all. Thank you.